and we put it in here.
Okay.
So we do this,
Hmm.
and then we select this.
Hmm.
Then we get the bucket,
Hmm.
and then we splash it faster,
Hmm.
faster till my hands will be broken.
Hmm. Good boy. Well done.
Papa, working on. I'm making a folder book and
So what are you gonna do in the folder?
save my this cat book in a box project and enter. Then I double click on it
Hmm.
and then I save this and name it book is my favorite book of all, and I'm copying it for my project and it's on here. We're gonna print it and I'm coloring it right now, so I'm changing the color, and so we're gonna use this magical toys this magic stick one. Select for my this is my like background where I'm gonna glue these stuff, and then when I print this it's gonna be like a road, sidewalk, and these buildings at the back. And
How did you make this stuff?
So I went on Google, on Firefox, went on this. I searched up this road sketch, and then I found this really good one right here. So I left clicked it, and then I clicked copy image. Then I went back here, and then I put it here, made it wider, and I put these buildings from here, I think, somewhere, like wait.
Okay, so what did you learn today?
How to use Photoshop efficiently.
First time?
First time.
Legend.
Yeah. It's printing. Oh. There it is. Wow. Now we can just cut out the outline. It's so like good.
Wow. Did you make it?
Yeah, I made it on Photoshop.
Wow.
It's like here. I'm so tired. It's just been like 5 hours of me doing this, and I'm so tired. My leg is hurting. I'm kind of getting a headache, and I'm about to fall asleep. And it's 2 in the morning, and my eyes are about to.
So this is a type of double-sided tape, and I'm going to put it on this pillar thing on above, and then it's sticking, and then it can stand like that. When it's taped to the bottom of the box, it'll stand like that. It'll look amazing. Instead of making this just fall, I put some back support and like that for this dude and this dude, so it wouldn't just fall back. Then if we wanted to make it a little forward, we could do that, and then it would make it a little forward.
I planned it was, first of all, I had this only my book, this my favorite book, so I obviously picked that, Dogman from For Whom the Ball Rolls. And I chose these characters because they were all in this book. And Dogman was just a normal dog with a cop, but then a cop just got exploded, and the cop's head was dying, and the dog's body was dying. So they thought of connecting the dog's head and the the cop's body together, and then that's when Dogman was created. And then this came out when he needed a helper. He tried to clone himself, but he didn't read the instructions because he had to wait 13 years to get himself a clone. But instead, he just got his own little son. And this man was in jail, and then he just became a cupcake hero. He got pardoned from jail, and then he became a cupcake hero, and then they were all in the book. So I decided to add this one, this one, this one, and this one. And as you can see, this is Dogman, but this is Dogman right here, being a superhero, and this is this little man.
Hi guys, it's me Khizar, and this video was 9 minutes long, but this really took me 5 hours to make this project. So I would really appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button, like button, and bell icon so I can regain all my energy. Bye!